Before the sun rises, there's a secret battle happening. It's not outside, it's inside you. A battle between the voice that says, I can't, I'm not good enough, and the voice that whispers, yes, you can. You were born for greatness. And here's the truth. The moment you wake up, whichever voice you feed first decides how the rest of your day and eventually your life will unfold. Swami Vivekananda once said, the world is the gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. But strength doesn't begin with the body. It begins with belief. That's why today, on Glimpse of Truth, I'm going to share with you a self-belief ritual, a morning routine inspired by Swami Vivekananda's teachings that will help you win your day every single day. Why self-belief matters. Think about it. How many dreams have died in your mind before they even had the chance to live? Not because you didn't have the talent, not because you didn't have the resources, but because you didn't believe in yourself. Swami Vivekananda taught, all the power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Self-belief is not just a mindset. It is the very foundation on which success, happiness, and spiritual growth are built. In your morning is the sacred ground where self-belief can either be planted or neglected. The power of a morning ritual. Why the morning? Because the first 20 minutes after you wake up are like wet cement. Whatever thoughts, emotions, and habits you pour into your mind during that time, they harden and shape the way you think and act for the rest of the day. Swami Vivekananda's mornings were never wasted. He began with silence, breath, prayer, and focus, because he knew that mastering the morning meant mastering the mind. So let's break down a self-belief morning ritual you can start tomorrow. Step by step. It doesn't take hours, just 20 to 30 minutes, but it will change how you show up to the world. Step 1. Wake up with intention.
When your alarm rings, don't touch your phone. Don't check messages. Don't scroll. Instead, sit up, close your eyes, and repeat. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Say it out loud. Whisper it if you must. Let these words become the first spark of your day. This is more than motivation. It's a reminder that life has given you another chance. Another morning. Another battlefield. Step 2. Breath of strength.
Sit comfortably.
Inhale deeply for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 6 counts. Repeat this for 5 minutes. As you breathe, visualize strength entering you with every inhale and self-doubt leaving you with every exhale.
Acum brascrizit acum mind.
A calm mind creates focused action. Step 3. Mirror of self-belief. Stand before a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Say slowly, with conviction, all power is within me. I am fearless. I will win my day. You are not lying to yourself. You are reminding yourself of the truth you've forgotten. Step 4. 1-minute victory visualization. Close your eyes. Imagine one thing you must accomplish today. See yourself doing it with confidence. Feel the relief, the pride, the power, as if it has already happened. Visualization is not fantasy. It is rehearsal. Step 5. Body of confidence. Self-belief is not just mental, it is physical. Do 5 to 10 minutes of movement. Push-ups, squats, stretching, or Surya Namaskar. As you move, repeat. I am strong. I am unstoppable. Step 6. Journal of gratitude and goals. Write down 3 things you are grateful for. 1 goal for the day. Gratitude builds confidence. Goals give direction. Final recap. Wake up with intention. Breath of strength. Mirror affirmations. Victory visualization. Move your body. Gratitude and goals. That's it. Just 20 to 30 minutes. But if you do this daily, you will begin to feel the unshakable power of self-belief flowing through your veins.
Remember, stand up, be bold, be strong, take full responsibility, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. Tomorrow morning, don't just wake up. Rise, believe, win your day. This is Glimpse of Truth. And remember, self-belief is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Be one of those who believe in themselves,